Hello little explorers, welcome to the farm, where every day is an adventure filled with discovery and learning. Join us as we dive into the bustling world of farm animals and insects right in the Sandbox. It's a hands-on exploration that promises fun, laughter and plenty of educational opportunities for young minds. Step into the Sandbox and meet our friendly farm animals from curious chickens to playful dogs. Let's start the video. An in-depth exploration of the big Rhinoceros. Rhinos are among the largest land animals. Rhino horns are made of keratin, the same protein that makes up human hair and nails. Rhinoceros skin can be quite thick, but it is sensitive to sunburn and insect bites. Beyond the safari, up close with the majestic bull. The bull is a majestic and iconic creature that has captivated humans for centuries. With its impressive size and strength, the bull has become a symbol of power, determination, and resilience. Diving into the world of hyenas. Hyenas are found in various habitats including savannas, grasslands, woodlands and semi-deserts across Africa and parts of Asia. Hyenas are vocal animals and use a variety of sounds to communicate, including whoops, growls, laughs and whooping calls. Exploring the beauty and grace of horses. Horses are known for their speed. The fastest recorded speed of a horse is around 55 mph, 88.5 km per hour. The average lifespan of a horse is around 25 to 30 years. And next is Queen of the Wilderness, Lioness. Lionesses are strong and agile, with powerful bodies that enable them to take down and carry prey that can be as heavy as themselves. They have sharp claws and strong jaws, making them effective predators. Lionesses typically live around 15 to 18 years. Discovering the elegance of white tigers. Like other Bengal tigers, white tigers are native to the Indian subcontinent, including India, Bangladesh, Bhutan and Nepal. They inhabit a variety of environments from grasslands and forests to mangrove swamps. White tigers are extremely rare in the wild. Introducing the initial creature, Hippopotamus. The common hippopotamus is the third largest land mammal after elephants and white rhinoceros. Adult males can weigh up to 3,300 pounds or more. Despite their size, hippos are excellent swimmers and spend a significant amount of time in the water. Unveiling the last crowned beast, lion. Lions are found in parts of Africa and a small population exists in the Giraffe Forest National Park in India. They typically inhabit grasslands, savannas and open woodlands. Lions are carnivores and primarily hunt large ungulates like wild beasts, zebras and buffaloes. Decoding the diversity of Jackson's chameleon. They are known for three distinct horns on their heads, which give them a unique appearance. The central horn is longer than the two lateral ones, and they have a crest of small scales along their back. Jackson's chameleons are relatively small. Exploring the remarkable world of ants. Ants are highly social insects that live in colonies. Each colony typically consists of a queen, male ants and worker ants. There are over 12,000 known species of ants and they can be found on every continent except Antarctica. The fascinating ecology of snakes. Not all snakes are venomous. There are around 3,000 species of snakes and only about 600 of them are venomous. Venomous snakes use their venom for hunting and self-defense. The lifespan of a snake varies depending on the species. Time to discover the next animal adventure, zebra. Zebras are herbivores and mainly graze on grass. They have adapted to feed on a variety of grass species. Zebras are native to Africa and are found in various habitats, including savannas, grasslands, and open woodlands. Zebras are social animals that typically live in family groups. The grand introduction to elephants. Elephants are believed to have excellent memories. They can remember and recognize other individuals. Even after many years, elephants are known for their high level of intelligence, emotional sensitivity, and problem-solving abilities. Elephants are highly social animals. Encounter the tall Gargantuan Spider. Tall Gargantuan Spider is one of the largest spiders in terms of leg span. It is native to South America and is known for its size and the ability to eat birds. Though it's not a regular part of its diet, these spiders are found in various parts of the world. The amazing journeys of reindeer. Reindeer are well adapted to survive in harsh Arctic conditions, including extreme cold temperatures and limited food availability. Reindeer are known for their long-distance migrations. They can cover hundreds of miles in search of food. They are native to the Arctic and subarctic regions of North America. A visual journey into the second last animal, tiger. Tigers are territorial animals and the size of their territory can vary based on factors like prey availability and habitat. They use scent marking to defend their territories. Unlike many other big cats, tigers are good swimmers. Tales from the tallest creature, giraffe. Giraffes are the tallest land animals on earth with an average height of 16 to 18 feet, 4.8 to 5.5 meters. Their long necks can make up about one-third of their total height. Giraffes are herbivores. Let's see who is our next animal. And the next animal is Black Panther. Like other big cats, Black Panthers are primarily nocturnal hunters. Their diet includes a variety of prey such as deer, monkeys, and other smaller mammals. Jaguars are known for their ability to swim and may even hunt in water. Introducing the resilient camel. Camels are herbivores and can eat a variety of plants, including thorny vegetation that many other animals avoid. Their tough mouths and specialized stomachs allow them to consume such coarse vegetation. Humans have domesticated camels for various purposes, including transportation and providing milk and meat. Thank you for watching our farm animals and insects in Sandbox for Kids Learning episode. Don't miss out on the Farmyard Fun. Subscribe now to join us on this exciting journey of exploration, learning, and endless adventures down on the farm. Until the next muddy adventure, bye bye little explorers.